What's up guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I forgot to take this video for you before. I was just doing this job and I remembered maybe it's good to include it in this week building video. So what I'm building with here is batteries for the fire panels. So each section of the floor has fire batteries, right? This goes to the sub panels. So the sub panels, sorry, it's making a lot of noise. Sub panels reports to the FCC room, which is the room that's actually in the lobby area though. It's called the fire control room. So we've been having issues where we began alarms. I don't want to call it an alarm, it's actually a trouble on the panel showing that we have a fault. You know, a lot of times before you call the contractor out, like right here in this region, we use a company called Adcock Electric or Adcock Firelight Safety. Instead of calling them, we actually save money. What we normally do, we have these batteries in-house. As you can see, these batteries were last replaced in 2017. I just took one out, which is this one right here. It says 2017. As you can see right there. So I'm putting the new batteries that we had in-house. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually hooking up the batteries back in. I also take off this one up too. So this is a negative, that's a positive. So right now I just have the positive hooked up on one of those batteries. So what I would do is take this guy off, disconnect this negative from here, and then put the new battery in, which is the one on the cut. Put it in here and connect it. So this should clear our trouble on the panel. Again, I wish I took the video before so I can show you what the trouble was on the panel. It was just saying 6th floor strobe circuit. A lot of times it's batteries, and especially the fact that this was showing 2017, it definitely is the problem though. So I know you guys want building videos. Unfortunately, it's very hard for me to take detailed videos in this place because you know the building is occupied. This is just a section of the 6th floor telephone room that we have the sub panels, and I figured it's good also to talk about firelight safety when it comes to building operations. Earlier this morning we actually had a fire drill. We do twice a year, so pretty much we had to evacuate the whole entire building. One of our tenants did not want to participate in it, which is okay for now, but we're gonna make sure they participate in the fall time. The importance of fire drill is, in case of an emergency, you know where your exits are. You know where to parade when you got the building. Though you can't just stand outside the building though, you have to go to a section where you have your fire ward and tell you where to go. So yeah, but anyway, that's beside the fact. Our main thing right now is replacing the batteries. So I'm gonna try to put the phone somewhere so I can record myself replacing the batteries, and then hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I'll try to take more videos as I can. Like I said, it's very hard for me to take videos here, and my position right now is it's not like when I used to be so much out in the field where I'll be doing the cooling towers and doing much more work. I'm mainly on the desk now, but every now and then I come out in the field. Like this is something that my assistant chief engineer asked me to do for him, so I'm going ahead and do it right now. So there's a washer nut, well, not right. So that connects to the connection for the battery. So take that off. Just the back piece of it. Things are quite heavy too, though. They're not the lightest thing ever. So because the old one, 2017. New one come in this box. Comes with his own screws, but I'll just reuse the old ones. this one's gonna be facing this way. So this part up here is gonna be facing the outside. It's gonna be on the inside. I was wrong about that. The face with the nameplate faces outside both sides, so yeah, I was confused with another battery that I normally use, but yeah, they both face the same way. Let me just show you guys real quick, that way you guys can see what's going on. So both sides, the faceplate are gonna face outside. What I'm gonna do is this is gonna be my middle right here. So I'm gonna connect it right there, and then this red one, which is positive, will be right here, and then this black one will be here on the negative. So you want to have your negative and your positive in the middle. So, and then your negative on the outside and the other positive on the outside. So yeah, that's just how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put you guys on the I know you guys gonna laugh at me. I'm not using the right tools. These are Weatherman tool. I'm not supposed to use this. I'm only using it because I don't feel like going downstairs. That is a lazy engineer, so do not follow me on that. Do things the right way. Get the right tools with you. Like I said, I'm not in the field as much anymore, so I don't even have a tool bag with me. So a lot of times I just utilize my a lot of times I just use my Weatherman, which is not good, but that's what I use a lot. So yeah, don't follow me on that. Use the right tools.
PM2 to PM4. Hey, I have Excel on site. It will take
So that's pretty tight.
about 10 minutes.
So I'll go to the next one now though. So I'm gonna hook up the middle. So
I'll let you know.
let's do this. Before I do the middle, I'll do the outside positive. So let's do the outside positive first. Then I'll do the middle last. So, this today I'm not messing up my white shirt, right? I know last time when I did the chiller, somebody said, "Hey, why are you wearing white shirts?" That's just the policy of this building. You're not allowed to wear any type of shirts. We wear white shirts here, and they always prefer wearing the long sleeve. I'll prefer the short sleeves if I'm going wearing white shirts. That way you can save the arms from getting dirty as well. But yeah, the things here are quite different. So they're pretty huge on white shirts. So yep. So now getting ready to do the middle, and that should have everything up and running once I do the middle. But I'm missing something. Man, let me see. It's funny, we always lose tools doing stuff like this, though. So always lose tools and parts. Oh. I sound like an old man every time I have to crunch down to make noises, I guess. I know this is boring though, but just thought I'd get you guys into this real quick.
Right. Can you meet me on Pennsylvania Avenue?
Once we do this, we should have power. So hopefully everything goes well and we're good. That's it. We should have power now though. You know, to be done with this all year, I was taking a video. So, you know what I need to get is once we reach 1,000 subscribers, I should have something that I can have on my head. That way, you guys can have a POV, point of view. You guys can see what I'm doing exactly, rather than kind of. Alright, guys. So the whole thing is done. So, pretty much, I could say that's a positive. Outer positive, outer negative, then you got your inside positive and your inside negative and your inside positive. So this should be done. This should clear our panel, and we're gonna go downstairs and check it. Today is the I believe it's the 25th of April. So I just put a date up here. 2024. Engineer 1. That's my initials. So same thing up here. E1. That way they know that I'm the one that did it and what date that it was done. So that's done. So go ahead and close the door. Bada bing, bada boom. So with these old batteries, we have to dispose them in the right way. So I'm going to take them down to our electronics room where we have electronics, batteries, and light bulbs. And what happened is, by the end of the year, we normally have this company come in and pick up all the stuff we have for recycle. Because you don't want to just throw them in the dumpster. Throw them in the dumpster, then you're doing the wrong thing, and then you can get fined by the EPA. Especially if they find out which address it came from, that could be a big problem. So we're gonna do things the right way. Just gonna go there, put them there, and then by the end of the year, like again, I say between November, December, that's when we do the recycling. So before we do that, we wanna go back to the FCC room and make sure that our trouble has cleared. This is the file control room we have. I guess you can call it FCR, but normally we call it FCC room. Fire control room, but this one says fire control center. Like this one says fire control room. So here it is. It's an old system, but it's also good that we have the computer as well. So what I did do earlier is I went ahead and took all the 4 points out. The 4 points is for the audiovisual, mechanical, elevators, doors, and these for a tenant item. So I didn't take that one out. So what we do with this, the reason why we take this out, and I know my fellow engineers know this, that way we don't ring down the building though. Now I don't necessarily have to take this out just to change out the batteries though, but I like to be careful. Building right now is fully occupied, tenants are here, some are on their lunch break, some have conference meetings. So the last thing I want to do is evacuate the building because I set up of an alarm on the building. So in order to disable that, I had to come up here, disable. So what I'll do is even though I didn't set up anything right now, it's just a habit of me. I like to reset the system just in case. So system reset right there. That will reset anything that may have come in between that. So and you should see, just came up here. So check. And then what I want to start doing now is putting the everything back in. So normally what I normally do, I normally start with my doors first, elevator, mechanical, and AV. The reason I always end up with AV at the last minute, because that's the audio visual, right? If the video wants to go to alarm, that's the first thing that will actually go out. So I'll normally just do the doors first. So enable, then it brings up here on the screen. Then all I have to do is bring the mouse here, and then check everything so it can clear. So that's what I normally do. And then on the screen, actually though, it's showing you the it's too late. I was gonna show you the screen though. Screen, it shows you percentage, how much is being cleared. So that's clear. So we go to elevators. Let me show you on the screen. So that's what it shows. See, it shows the progress. So but what I'll do here is just go ahead and click this, and then that should clear everything. So I'm a little bit out of breath. Like again, I said, we had a fire drill earlier this morning, and I ate a lot of cookies because normally people get treats for participating in a fire drill. So I ate a whole bunch of cookies. They make me drowsy and sleepy. So enable mechanical. Again, mechanical consists of your air handler units, any device that has to do with the air infiltration in the space. So there we go. Just want to make sure that my screen is clear, and I'm hoping that trouble does not come back again. Now if the trouble comes back again, then maybe it wasn't just the batteries, maybe there's something else. A lot of times it could be just the strobe itself that's bad. So sometimes that happens. So here's the last point, audio visual. Again, on the screen it will show you the progress. So all right, then we're back here again, and we should be all clear. So as you can see now, it's clear. We don't have any more troubles going on up here, so that's perfect. I think we did a good job. Everything is good. So this is an actuator panel. This is what shows what levels are. I mean, or if there's a fire somewhere, if there's a trouble, or I mean not trouble, a fire alarm. This will show you where the fire alarm is. Yeah, so you know, that's the digital part of it though. That's the screen part of it though. That's the old school part of it that will show you stuff. This is the elevators. We have a total of 23 elevators in this building. So it shows you where all of them are, and if you want to, I'm sorry, not 23 elevators, I'm really sleepy. We have a total of 27 elevators in this building though, so it's a little bit too much, but that's what we have. As you can see, it goes up to 27 right there. And if you want to recall them to come to the lobby, all you have to do is hit that, they'll come down to the lobby. So yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video about the fire life safety part of building. And you know, again, I'll try my best to make more videos about the building. It's gonna be hard, but I'll do everything I can to show you at least something once a week if I can. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you guys have a best rest of your week. All right, thank you, bye.